How to fix Discord chat not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord chat not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Discord. Click on it and now click permissions, and as you see here you will find this one. Wait, where is it? This one here, for stop. Click on it and go to storage, click clear cache, and then go to permissions and allow storage. Maybe you'll find it like that, then just click allow, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and then just to start your phone and try again, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.